PSU bank stocks are getting back into flavor. Talk about Indian Bank that has been trending for the last 6 days in a row. In fact, on a year-to-date basis, the stock has already jumped by 70%. In the last 5 years, remember the stock has gained 10 times in trade, giving investors multi-bagger returns. So what exactly is behind this move? Well, even off late, if you look at into the September quarterly earnings, Indian Bank has reported higher income, higher profitability, asset quality has improved sequentially both on gross and net NPA level as well. And now there seem to be more triggers that could be proving as tailwinds behind the stock as well. Brokerage houses believe the recent SEBI draft proposals that indicate a change in the weightage of the top constituents of the non-benchmark indices, which has increased the prospects of more stocks being included in Nifty Bank. And there are chances that Indian Bank could also get included in the banking index as per Nuvama Alternative, where they believe Indian Bank could receive inflows of up to $72 million in case it becomes a part of the banking index. Now remember, Nuvama Alternative MSCI inclusion in February of 2026 is also what the brokerage house is penciling on for Indian Bank. Nuvama believes the MSCI inclusion in the next year, early part of next year, could also lead to some flows coming back to Indian Bank to the tune of $200 million if that happens as well. So these are the two key triggers that Nuvama bets big on. It also believes that Indian Bank has been an outperformer and can continue to do the same as well. And already there is a lot of buzz around the sector as well. PSU banks are back in flavor with a lot of buzz around anticipated hike in foreign ownership as well. That's keeping the stocks buoyant as well. So keep an eye out on Indian Bank as brokerage houses are yet again looking at the stock positively.